Yuzu and ginger creme brulee. Let's get right to it. In a jug, we are gonna add 175 grams of cream, 50 grams of milk, 60 grams of yuzu peel, 20 grams of ginger that has been peeled and roughly chopped. Blitz them with a hand blender to maximize its extraction and to speed up the infusion. Transfer the mix into a pot and add 50 grams of sugar and give it a good stir. Bring this to a boil, turn off the heat and let it infuse for 20 minutes before passing through a strainer. Next, add 80 grams of yolks to a jug, 25 grams of yuzu juice and add the yuzu infusion from before while mixing with a hand blender. Now, portion 200 grams of mix into your vessel of choice and be sure to wrap it tightly with cling film. We are going to steam the creme brulee for 40 minutes at 82 degrees Celsius. Once done, remove from the oven and be sure to make slit to avoid condensation. I have chilled the creme brulee overnight and coated it with light brown sugar before torching it. For the garnishes, I'm using some orange supreme, toasted almonds, and peaches. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this.